Welcome to RAS classes. Those who are watching our videos, please like and subscribe channel. Today we discuss about the control statements in C. Control statements in C. You know C programs executed sequentially, that is line by line from top to bottom. Let us see one example. Integer main. Then statement 1, statement 1, statement 2, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4, like this, statement n. Then return 0, and this is the end of main. Clear? Generally, you know C programs execution starts from main, execution starts from what? Main function. Clear? So first statement 1 will execute, then statement 2 will execute, then statement 3 will execute, like this statement n will execute, then return 0, and this is the end of program. Clear? But if you want to execute some statements according to certain decision or condition, clear? Suppose you want, for one condition you want to execute what? Statement 1 and statement 2. For other condition you want to execute statement 3 and 4. If one condition will satisfy, it will display what? It will execute statement 1 and statement 2. If that condition will not satisfy, it will execute statement 3 and statement 4. Like this if you want. Or if you want to execute some statements repeatedly, then in that case what you will do? For this, C provides what? Control statements. Clear? So what is control statement? Control statements are the statements which controls the flow of execution. Which controls the flow of execution. Clear? It controls the flow of execution. The control statements are of two types. How many types? Two types. What are those? Just see. Control statements are of two types. One is decision making and branching control statement. Another one is decision making and looping control statement. What? Looping control statement. Come to first decision making and branching. Branching means different parts. Decision making means we have to make the decision according to certain condition. We will go to which part. Clear? This is according to the requirement. Then come to decision making and looping. Here we have to make decision which part or which statements will execute what? Repeatedly. Then again, this decision making and branching control statement divided into two types. What are those? This is conditional and second one is unconditional. Clear? One is conditional, another one is unconditional. Clear? In conditional decision making and branching control statement, there is condition. There is certain condition is there. But in unconditional what? Decision making and branching control statement, there is no condition. Clear? So, what are the statements comes under conditional decision making and branching control statement? Just see, first one is if statement. If statement. Second one is switch statement. Switch statement. Clear? Third one is conditional operator. Conditional operator. Clear? These are the statements comes under conditional decision making control and branching control statement. Clear? Then come to unconditional decision making and branching control statement. Here the statements are go to, then break, then continue, clear, then return, then exit. These are the statements comes under what? Unconditional decision making and branching control statement. Clear? Then come to decision making and looping control statement. Then what are the statements here? First one is while statement. While statement. Then second one is do statement. Do means do while. This is nothing but do while. Clear? Third one is for statement. For statement. For statement. Clear? In conditional, there is certain condition. If that condition will satisfy, it will execute some part. If that condition will false, it will execute another part. In unconditional, there is no condition. If this statement will execute, it will go to the particular part and it execute that part. Clear? In decision making and looping control statements, when these statements will execute, it will execute some parts or some statements repeatedly. It will execute some statements what? Repeatedly. This is the difference. Clear? All of you understood? Clear? Today we'll stop here, and in next video we'll discuss about the if statement. Thank you.